Hi guys, my name is George. I am a Customer Success Manager here at e-bate, and in this video I'll be taking you through the user maintenance screen in the e-bate system. So first of all, we want to go to the Maintenance tab at the top here and scroll down to User Maintenance. As we can see here, we now have all of our users that are currently in the system. If we want to search for a specific user, we can use the Search tab at the top here. And if we want to then edit that user, we can hit the three dots here and click Edit. So now I can change my name or my role that is already assigned to my account, and then I can also change the permissions based on the company types and the product types that I'm able to view within the system. Once we're happy with this information, we can hit save. And so that is now my user updated. If we want to create a new user, we come across here to the plus icon. And so we'll now set up a user from scratch. So if we call them, I don't know, we'll call them George McGowan 2, shall we? And we will then type in their email address. We will use this. Actually, we will not use my same email address. And then we will assign a role. So we will just have a test user, and then we will hit next. And this is where we can determine the different permission types. So if we want this account to be able to view all customer and supplier rebates, we can select those two. If we want to select which customer industry they can view, we will select retail and pharma. And then we can select which products, product brands and product categories we want them to be able to view and select and add to rebates. But for this case, we won't add any of them, which will mean that this user will have access to all products in the system. We will then hit next, and it will provide a summary of what we've just typed in. Once we are happy with this, we will hit save. And then as we can see here, the new George McGowan 2 user has been set up.